Hello colleagues, my name is Bastiaan Quast of the ITU, the International Telecommunication Union, and I am the co-secretary of the ITU World Health Organization Focus Group on Artificial Intelligence for Health. I will participate in the 4th Nobel Fest that will be held this April, and I will be talking to you exactly about the work that the Focus Group is undertaking to develop a standardized assessment framework for AI solutions in the field of health. Moreover, there will be 40 more speakers from all over the world, along with Nobel laureates and Breakthrough Prize winners. There is no participation fee, so all that is needed for your participation is your own interest. You can register at nobel-fest.org. See you at the festival.